Hey everybody, I've been in the middle of setting up a Citrix Analytics environment, which means I've been turning on a lot of services like our content collaboration, employee management, and of course, virtual apps and desktops. Well, while in the middle of working today, I had a notification pop up that says, hey, there's a new way to authenticate. And I wanted to give that thing a try. But instead of just doing it, I thought it'd be kind of cool to record myself going through it to see how difficult this thing is to set up. So, first things first, I saw it, so it's got to be somewhere in identity authentication. And sure enough, here we see Active Directory plus token, which is in tech preview. Pretty cool. You can see I have Active Directory currently enabled, one domain with 2 connectors installed. That's exactly what my environment is. In case you want to see it, here's my environment. There's my domain controller. I only have one of them. This is just a demo. This is not, doesn't need redundancy. Got a couple cloud connectors, and then this is my actual Zen App Essentials server that's running. So Active Directory is running, but now I want to switch from this. I want to try this token thing out, but let's see what this question is first. Okay, so this is the YouTube video. I've already watched this video, but I want to help you out because this thing's 5 minutes long. So if you want to get more details of how this thing works, you can watch the whole video. But let me tell you something. If you skip way, way, way to the end, they actually will show you how to enable the services. So if you're an administrator, you want to skip right here to the end to figure out how to set it up, or watch the video I'm shooting right now, and then go to the beginning where they show how the user experience works. So but I don't need to watch that again, but we're going to do this. So we're going to click on connect, and we're going to save and finish it. And it's working. Cool. Now, actually, before I go any further, I need to go to my gunnerberger.cloud.com and try again. Okay. If you guys see something like this, I can tell you right now what the problem is. It's got some stored cache credential that's screwing me up. So whenever you're doing this and you've got a lot of different accounts going on, use incognito. It's your friend. So let's go to same thing, gunnerberger.cloud.com. And you can see it's working great. So I know I don't have any issues with it. It's just some cache credentials on my machine that's giving me some bugs. So in any case, here we go. And you can see I've got a username and password. So obviously I've not done enough to get tokens set up yet, which makes sense. I've only enabled it. I haven't actually set it up to this workspace. So let's go to the next step. Let's get this off my screen and let's go configure my actual workspace. So workspace configuration, and let's click on authentication. Yep, and you can see I'm still using Active Directory. So that makes sense. That's what I was getting. So let's click on Active Directory plus a token. Are you sure you want to do that? Sure, why not? And we're connected. Cool. So let's do it. Oh, no, let's not use this. Let's make sure to use incognito. Let's bring that back over here. And let's try a refresh, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's do a new incognito window. Let's get rid of that old one. And let's try this again. gunnerberger.cloud.com. Still not showing me what I want to show. So I'm going to just hit pause for a second because I'm not going to change anything. But my gut tells me I just need to give this thing a minute because ultimately in the back end on the cloud side, there's some reconfiguration going on. So I don't know what's happening on that end, but I'm just going to assume it might take a few minutes. So we're going to just wait and I'll be right back. There she goes. All right, so I didn't do anything. In fact, I just fast forwarded the video so you can see that I didn't do anything. But now I've got the new workspace. So I can see username, password, enter token. I don't have a token yet, so we need to set one up. So we're going to click on don't have a token, and we're going to type in alex.gunnerberger.com. So Alex is just a test account I have. I hit next on that. Oh, no email associated with the user account. I know what this issue is. This is a very common issue. In Active Directory for Citrix Cloud, you have to put the mail address up for that account. So that's my fault. Let's bring in my, this is my domain controller. So I'm just going to go to users and computers. And this is a really common mistake to make. So I'm purposely going to leave this in the video because I just created this account just to do this video real quick. And I didn't put in alex@gunnerberger.com right here. Let's hit apply on that, hit OK. I don't know if this is going to be immediate. This might take a minute, but we'll try it. We'll try it pretty immediate. Let's try it right now. Wow. Okay, it is immediate, which is great. And I got a phone call coming in. So we're going to have to pause it 1 second. All right, sorry everybody. I was on the phone call, and work calls. Sometimes we're shooting a video, and I have to edit his number out, but that's okay. Where I left us was we had tested and made sure that the new workspace is up. That's asking for a token, and we didn't have a token, so we need to click a token. I sent a token, but I know that one expired, so I went ahead and deleted it. So let's send it again here. Alex@gunnerburger.com. I'm going to hit next, and that should send a verification code over to here, and wait for it to show up. There it is. We're going to grab this verification code, copy, get out of here, and let's paste that code in here. Now we're going to type in the password. Okay, and next. Perfect. All right, so the next step is it says you need to use an authenticator app. Now, from the video I watched on this thing, this is a industry standard authenticator, so if I wanted to, I could use something like Google Authenticator. But Citrix has their own. So what you're looking at here is my phone. We're going to click on Citrix SSL, and I'm going to add a new token. So add a new token. We're going to scan the QR code, and let's go ahead and get that QR code. There it is. Device name, I don't know. Phone? Let's call it Analytics Demo because I don't know. Demo. Save that. All right. So there's my demo. Let's do a finish and sign on. Session's expired, that's fine. So this is gonna be our first time logging in as Alex, A-L-E-X, at gunnerburger.com. His password. And the token that's currently on my screen, which you can't see, but let's put it up there so you can see it too. Why not? So there's my token. Never mind, can't see it again. Whatever, it's 930864. All right. Let's try signing on now with multi-factor authentication. No, there was an error in the application operation could not be completed. Back to sign in. That's just, all right, use light version. Oh, okay, cool, it worked. I don't know what that error was all about. I'm not gonna worry about it too much. This is a demo environment. It's probably got weird things with it. But let's see if we can actually get to a desktop as the final piece to this puzzle. And we're in. Sweet, man. So that's it. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward as long as you don't get interrupted with phone calls and forget to set up email addresses, stuff like that. But hopefully that's pretty helpful for those of you that want to set this up. Really simple. And for those listening to me at Citrix, great job. That was pretty cool. Have a good weekend, by the way.